BTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning sounds fancy, right? Every second college today in India is selling it like a golden ticket to the future. But there are some uncomfortable truths about these courses which we are going to talk about in this video. And before you spend 8 to 10 lakhs and 4 years of your life chasing the AI dream, you need to know what is actually happening behind those glossy brochures. Hello everyone, I'm Akash Gupta and here I simplify AI and ML careers with facts, not hype. Today we are exposing a harsh reality how Tier 3 colleges are turning BTech in AI ML degrees into a marketing gimmick and why you might graduate knowing less about AI than someone who just took a few solid online courses. Let us start with the obvious. AI is booming and colleges have smelled the money. They know parents hear AI and imagine six-figure salaries. So they are rushing to launch these courses even when they don't have faculty, labs or curriculum ready. Just think about this. Out of 23 IITs in India, only around 10 have a full-fledged BTech in AI or data science courses. Even the best institutes in the country are taking it slow because AI is a deep research heavy field that needs expertise, not buzzwords. So, when a tier 3 college with no GPU lab, no AI professor, and no research background suddenly advertises admission open, BTech in AI and ML, you already know what is going on. Most of these degrees are old CSE or computer science programs wearing AI badges. Same subjects, same notes, maybe one extra selective named machine learning. I have literally seen colleges where students were told to complete their NPTEL courses online on machine learning. Imagine that you join a 4-year AI degree and are told to study the core subject yourself. And even worse, they don't differentiate between AI, ML, and data science. They mix them up and call it a specialization. But in reality, these fields need very different foundations. AI focuses on algorithm and logic, ML on data-driven modeling, and data science on analysis and storytelling. Mix them all without structure. Here is the next problem, faculty. I am not blaming professors, they are doing their best. But the truth is, most colleges don't have specialized AI faculty. Many are still learning the subject themselves. They have done PhDs in general computer science or networks and are now forced to teach topics like neural networks and transformers. Add to that, no dedicated labs, no cloud credits, no GPUs, no real world projects, no collaboration with industry. So, what do students end up with? Assignments copied from Kaggle, projects without deployment, and a resume that says AI engineer but screams I don't know production code. Let us not pretend. For many private colleges, these degrees are not about innovation, they are about enrollment targets. They know this buzzword will sell. So every year, new batches of AIML students join thinking they are ahead of time. But when they graduate, they realize the job market wants real skills, not a degree title. And that's when frustration hits. I studied AI for 4 years. Why can't I get an AI job? Because what you studied was a simulation, not the real deal. And this is the worst part. Students come out believing they have done something special. They think I have a BTech in AI or ML. I must be ahead of everyone else. But when they go for interviews, they are asked to code in Python, explain CNNs, optimize models, and they freeze. That's when it hits. They were not taught half of what the market demands. And it is not their fault. The colleges are cashing in on. If you are already in such a college, don't panic. It is not the end of the road. Start learning on your own terms. Build real projects. Learn deployment, version control, cloud tools. Do not rely on the degree to define your skills. Let your GitHub do that. And if you have not taken admission yet, don't fall for the label. Ask real questions before joining any AI/ML course, like who teaches it? What projects do students build? Do they have access to GPUs or cloud credits? What are the placements specifically for AI/ML roles? Because your goal is not to buy a fancy title, it is to build a career that actually stands in the industry. If you truly want to become an AI ML professional, you don't need a fake tag. You need the right sequence of skills. I have already made a detailed video on this AI ML Roadmap 2025, where I have shared a free Excel planner and book list you can follow to learn AI the right way. Watch that after this video. The link to that video is in the description, and you will know exactly where to start and what to avoid. So before you trust every college ad shouting AI/ML revolution, remember not every revolution is real. Some are just sales pitches. Question everything. Build your own learning path because in AI, your skills, not your syllabus, define your future. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like and subscribe on the concepts of AI to support genuine content. Share this video with someone considering these degrees and subscribe to Concepts of AI, where we break down complex AI topics, career paths, and industry trends in the simplest, most practical way possible.